Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. And today it's a little bit of a different video. We're going to be doing, so TJ Hunt last week did a girlfriend challenge video to see if his girlfriend could change the oil on her car. My car needed an oil change, so we figured we would do it on my car. So we're going to pretty much follow the same layout that he followed, but Steph's never changed the oil on the 3000. It's pretty easy to me, but I think she could figure it out. We're going to use a score sheet just like they did, and the score sheet has Steph, Mike. There's going to be 4 tasks. The tasks are going to be jacking up the car, draining the oil, changing the filter, refilling the oil, and then totaling up on the bottom who has the most. So basically, if Steph can jack the car up without assistance, she gets a point. If she needs to ask me for help or how to do it, then I get a point. Same with draining the filter and refilling. It's all going to be based off of if she needs help or not. I think she could do it. She's watched me change oil maybe like 100 times by now. So we'll get started, and I'll at least help her out by opening the hood. Alright, so Steph doesn't like a lot of foods. I wanted to do, if I win, she has to eat a piece of onion, but she'll probably throw up. So she hates mustard. So we came to the conclusion that if I win, she has to eat a teaspoon of mustard. And if I lose, I have to eat a teaspoon of ketchup, because ketchup's okay, but like I'm not a big ketchup fan. And a teaspoon of ketchup would kind of be gross. So,
I hope I win.
We're gonna get started here, and the first task is going to be jacking up the car.
This is where I'm going to fail, because I think you do it from your toe point.
Okay.
Am I right?
You are right.
This jack doesn't even fit under here. It doesn't fit under here. Where's your scissor jack?
What are you gonna do with the scissor jack?
Start it.
Okay. And then just grab the long bar.
Jesus Christ. Too many steps. All rusty.
Oh, it's not that rusty.
Whoa, yes it is. Why did your car weigh so much?
It might be good. So should I give that to you?
Yep.
Jacking it up. I'll give you this. 1.
That seems really full. Come to this side.
Why?
Because isn't your drain plug over here?
Is it?
No, it's this one.
Is it?
I don't know, that had oil dripping from it, and that has oil dripping from it.
But there's also, where that Ninja is, there's a drain plug on the bottom of him too.
This is a drain plug?
That's a drain plug too.
Well, you told me to jack the carb over here, so this can't be for oil filter.
Why not?
But the oil filter's right here.
Yeah, so what's the deal here?
But if I jacked it up over on this side, the oil has to drain out over here.
Or was it so that you could get onto this side easier?
Oh no, you have me confused now.
Huh.
It's this one. Because this doesn't look dirty
Yeah.
enough to be an oil drain plug.
So that one is out.
So it's this one.
What makes you think it's this one and not that one over there?
I feel like there's a lot of oil right here, and it's next to the oil filter, which they usually go hand in hand.
There you go. So, you have to drain.
And it's gonna go this way,
Yes.
so I want to go even more.
I think you'll be alright there.
Oh, well, the jack's in the way, so it's gonna have to stay there.
You'll be good.
I feel like it's a 14 millimeter because you use that a lot, but it could be a 15. Nope, but I'm right. This is where I always mess up. Lefty loopsy. No, but that just... Yeah.
Well, I'm surprised you got that off so easily. It's a magnetic plug.
Oh,
Take your fingers
I
out.
couldn't get the plug.
Alright, so check out the plug. It's gonna have metal on the end of it. And it has like no metal, which is a fantastic sign. Well, don't rough it on the pen. You have to use a rag.
Yeah, well, I gotta clean this off.
Yes, clean that off.
My neck.
I shouldn't have picked ketchup.
Why?
Because I feel like this is going way too smooth for you.
Yeah, well, the filter is the hardest part.
Hopefully.
And I already got 2 points!
Next step.
Don't I want
Filter.
to plug that first before I take the filter off?
No, because the filter will be leaking oil too. You get everything leaking.
Do you have a thingy that fits on this?
Yeah, your hand.
No. Do you have that ratchet thingy?
You don't. Alright, see if you can get it with your hand first.
No, I'm definitely not strong enough for this. Nope.
Alright, okay.
This way. Nope. Because I want to pull this way. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, I still had it. This isn't fair. My arm. It's going, unless I'm just sliding this sticker around.
No, it's moving.
My arm is so dead.
Would you like me to do it?
No. Just need a minute. I need to work on my shoulders.
Alright, hang on.
This is a magnetic, is it?
Oh. No, it's not magnetic.
It's a mess. I
It is
can't.
a mess.
Oh my gosh! Come on! I'm just gonna give this a minute. I'm stuck. Can you help me? Can you help me finish now?
Keep spinning.
I think I need a new pair of gloves.
You should be good with hot gloves from now on.
No, because I did my finger and put oil on the new rim. Looks like Mike's eating ketchup.
Honestly, did not think this was gonna go this way.
So now, I have to put the new filter on. But first, I'm going to put oil around the little seal. So, because I don't have gloves on anymore, but that's still dripping, we're going to give it another minute.
Make this easy for me for next time.
Okay.
Crank it on, no leaks.
So, how do you feel right now?
I don't feel good because I feel like I'm gonna be eating ketchup.
Because I'm 3 for 3. When this is done draining, I have to put the plug back in, and then I just have to fill the car with oil. This Ninja guy's pretty cool under here.
Yeah. Shout out Ninja Performance. Transfer case brace. Keeping my car together
A little
while I
scratched,
drift.
but
Yeah, I think that's from scraping the ground. But yeah.
is my oil pan over here? That's why I thought maybe over here.
Nope.
Where's mine?
Yours is in the middle because your truck is a straight 6, so the oil pan is in the dead center.
Oh.
When you pull that off, can you wipe it again so there's no crap on the magnet? That's my transmission over there, for the record.
This?
Yes.
Yep.
Because my motor sits sideways.
Oh, that's right.
The reason I'm having her close this, no, wipe it.
God damn it.
The reason I
Might be the hardest part.
I poured some clean oil through. Just wipe it.
Oh my gosh.
I poured some clean oil through just to get any of the oil that was left in the pan. So this is all clean oil coming out. I just have the.
OMG,
Oh
this
my
is so
God.
hard. This thing is strong.
Line it up. It's a strong magnet. Line it up in the middle and then. Nope.
Yes.
Oh, the tip didn't hit anything?
No, it hit the inside.
Okay. So what I like to do is I have just a Mobile One, whatever, oil, synthetic. I just pour a little bit through the thing just to kind of flush any bad oil that's left in the system out. Kind of not necessary, but I'm a little anal about stuff like that. So
Of course, now you're gonna go back to the union.
So it's no problem if it was still kind of draining out. It's just clean oil.
One more.
Couple more snug pulls.
That good?
More. That should be good.
Oh, dirty. Good thing my nails aren't done.
Would you like to do the honors of updating your points?
Yep. Looks like someone. I don't even have to finish. You're eating ketchup.
It's not good, but I'm still gonna make her clean up and finish the job. I honestly didn't go into this thinking that I was gonna be eating ketchup today. I thought I was gonna be lucky enough to have Steph eat something that she doesn't like, but that's not the case, sadly. So my car has an external front mount oil cooler on it, so it takes close to 6 quarts of oil, typically in between 5 and 6 quarts, because like the oil cooler lines don't fully drain when you drain the system. So what we're gonna do is just put 5 quarts in it right now, and then I'm gonna do the tie rods on the car with this new angle setup that I have, and then we will move and do the topping off that last one. Okay, I don't even have to ask where you fill it from.
Guess I need the oil.
Yeah, that'll probably help. Since you didn't think you know before, what kind of oil?
5W50.
5?
Synthetic. 20W50 synthetic. But because I don't like to get dirty, I'm gonna use a filter.
What are you filtering?
the oil into
Why do you have to filter the oil? It's new oil.
a funnel. I'm gonna use a funnel.
Is this where you're gonna need my help?
Maybe.
Is this where you need my help?
Why? Why? It's gonna rip before I can even.
Two hours later.
Alright, be careful pouring the gallon, because it'll fill the funnel quickly.
Usually this is a two-person job. Because I can't.
Would you like to come update? That was not how I expected this to go.
Let's go. You're drinking ketchup.
This is good.
That spoon better be full.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough ketchup for someone that doesn't like eating ketchup.
I mean, yeah, but it could be worse.
Alright, ready?
No.
It's really hard for me to do.
Your girlfriend's better at doing an oil change than you are.
What, Jules?
Especially when we got 3 sets of eyes on you. Guys
Yeah.
do it.
Just do it. Show me the clean spoon.
Oh my god. That's gross. That's nasty. Alright. Fair enough. I thought I was gonna lose. I thought I was gonna win. Alright. I don't plan on eating ketchup on anything for a very long time. Yeah, gross.
All I can say is I do an oil change a lot cleaner and neater than he does. And I think in less time.
No,
Yeah.
not in less time. You're crazy. Because I know all that stuff, all the sizes in here. But my stomach hurts. So the oil is now changed in the car. Steph obviously knows how to do an oil change more than I had originally thought. I had doubts in certain areas. I thought that the oil filter and the drain plug were going to be harder to get off. Apparently they weren't. And jacking the car up, I didn't expect her to just automatically go for a scissor jack and know to lift the car up a little bit before putting the jack under the jack point. So thank you guys for watching. Again, shout out TJ Hunt for making the video, kind of giving us the idea as well. Again, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button to the video. Make your own video like this. And we'll see you guys next time. Anything else you want to say?
If you need an oil change, hit him up on YouTube. I'll be there in a
Yeah, I'll send her
jiffy.
because she's obviously better than me. So thanks, guys.